It's deployed. Let's go and check out Unity. Let's check out this is all okay. Run it. And it should be okay with no version on the end there.
Yeah.
And this one should be okay with a version on the end there.
Come on.
Go, go, gadget. Lambda calls. Yes.
Yeah, nice.
Awesome. So we've got a 2 and we've got a 1 and all good. And this one is just 2 only, 2 only, 2 only. So it works with both level 1 and, it works with level name and level name level version.
Cool.
Let's go into the game and check out the thing. What am I doing?
We're going to play it. We're going to see
play
if
it.
the data points shot.
Yes. Play. And play. Compile. A for analytics. Pathway clicks. Hit this. What have you got for the full URL? You have the full URL all looking fine. Doesn't have
good,
the thingy.
looks good.
So this one's going to go ahead over to the by clicks. You're just going to get me some data. You got me some data. You've got some data in your response. Yes, you. Okay, so Unity does not like us using the lowercase stuff into uppercase stuff. All right, so unfortunately, Unity is not using a full dot yet. It's using the mono
It's
language.
Special stuff, so we can't.
So we can't come in here and go property name and then rename the variable. Otherwise, we'd have a using inside of here.
Yeah.
So Nick, you know the solution.
Squirrel.
Squirrel is not the solution. SQL is the answer.
It's actually squirrel.
No.
What is
Structured English query language.
squirrel?
That would be an R after
Yeah, but
SQRL.
they dropped the E.
It's an add an R.
It's for squirrels. I don't know where I'm going with this.
Oh dear. Level version. Athena likes lowercase names, but is okay with you outputting to uppercase names.
Because why wouldn't it be?
Oh yeah. Character.
It's nice that it. It's nice that it does allow things.
As. All right, cool. So click position.
And
X.
counter.
Wow. I think we may have had to deploy this lambda
More
than the website. Let's try that 8. Don't want that one. Save. Publish. Okay. This time we'll be happy and good and great. Anyone watching this, man, you better have been learning some stuff out of this.
Yeah.
Oh, I got to put my slash there, not on the end.
I've learned that config is an anti-pattern.
Oh, I need more S3 permissions. Oh, that's a good point. We off screen did figure that one out. We set that to our policy to be just full S3 access as opposed to full administrator access.
Yeah. Just because
we've got a few minutes left before we have to head out of here.
Yeah.
And then we won't be able to see each other for like 6 to 8 weeks, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, so this is the last session we got. Hopefully this one works. Good. Update complete.
Yeah, come on.
Let's go into here. I'm going to set a breakpoint to make sure it's all okay. Onto the analytics display.
Fingers
Render
crossed.
data player path by clicks. Press the play button in Visual Studio. The play button in.
Gonna do it. It's
Unity.
gonna do it.
God, I'm getting overly excited. I hope this works. I really don't want to end this on. Anyway, I swear it's great.
It works, I promise.
So we've got to wait for that first time spin up. And then the actual call. There we go. Data, play path, by clicks. Yes, data. We have data.
Yes.
Oh, thank
Yes.
Friggity goodness. Nearly swore.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, right.
Hooray. Awesome. So
It's good.
we would absolutely love to continue showing you this and finishing this whole Athena part off.
Yeah.
I do truly believe that Athena is and Lambda is the better way to go, the fully serverless.
Yeah.
And you don't have to worry about your RDS cluster. It seems to be a bit more finicky than we thought it was going to be.
Yeah, well, we also did this like last minute, be like, oh, you know what could be cool?
Here we are,
like
how many hours later?
Yeah, which always goes really well in demos.
Okay, cool. So that is where we are going to finish this one off.
Yeah.
You can see that we don't have the level versions populating itself through here, but
have the API thing.
yes, but what you could do for that is have DataBricks then do a distinct distinct level names. And instead of writing them out to Parquet and having to go through Athena, if you wrote them just as a JSON file on S3, then you could have a Lambda that talks to that JSON file and says, hey, what is it that I'm trying to have?
Yeah.
That would then be super freaking fast.
Yeah, true.
That would work. What else would you want to change in this one? You'd have to add the min and the max onto the Lambda to say what is the min max of the things it's actually got. I think that's everything from here.
Yeah, I think so.
That's everything. All right. Well, this has been a lot of fun, guys.
Yep.
Thank you so much, Nick, for all of your patience.
No worries. I've had a lot of fun.
I think he's getting a bit frustrated with how long this has gone now. Fully understandable.
It's all good. No, I'm having fun.
I've
learned a lot of things.
I am having a hell of a fun time with this one as well. Oh, thank you so much for sticking around for this time, dude. All right, so if you have any questions, anybody watching, richardmore@gmail.com or on 3dbuzz, send a PM. I would love to hear from you and how you built, what you're using it for, anything like that.
Yep.
Any messages for Nick, I will absolutely pass them on.
Yes. Cool.
And on that note, that is us done. Thank you very much for your time, Nick.
Yes, thank you very much for your time, Richard.
Goodbye, everybody.
See you later.